Hi guys, this is Tim Queen, and today we're going to talk about something very serious, the content creator war in 2019. Now you might wonder, why am I so dramatic and talking about war? And what do I mean by content creator? Now, you might know a couple of platforms that heavily rely on content creators. Let's give me one example. YouTube. YouTube basically is living off content creators. If nobody was publishing videos, nobody would watch videos. YouTube couldn't run any ads. Now, you see that YouTube has already done an incredible job in attracting the best of the best in terms of video onto their platform. And we see a lot of other platforms struggling because of that. Just let's name two of them, Facebook and Instagram. I mean, they're doing an incredible job of Instagram of getting all the people taking beautiful pictures. But video is really struggling. And a lot of the content that is posted on Instagram and Facebook is just those short viral videos. Someone is cooking something, someone is building something like a motivational video. Those are the short clips that work really well. But do you see people creating long educational content, 10, 15, 20 minutes long? Do you see people using different gaming channels on Facebook or Instagram? No. And those platforms really struggle. And the number one reason why this is happening is because they don't have the same level of quality as YouTube. And Facebook and Instagram know this, and they're really trying to make their platform more attractive for content creators. Now, I was at VidCon in London a couple of weeks ago, and I heard very carefully paid attention to the talks by Facebook and Instagram. What really stood out to me was that Facebook, the head company behind both brands, is building tools for content creator to monetize their content, to make a living off the platform. Now, for example, they're introducing ad breaks for larger pages that have a huge number of followers. So they want to basically allow you to place ads on the videos itself and then share the profit with the content creator. Now, you have two platforms. You can use YouTube and you can use Facebook, and you actually get some money from that. So that's a huge incentive for content creators if there are more forms of monetization. Now, Facebook is also building up a platform for brand partnerships. Now, you can imagine this like this. Facebook is basically keeping track of all the different content creators on their platform. Once they reach a certain amount of followers on their page and a certain amount of engagement, they're going to be invited to this brand partnership portal. That means Facebook is categorizing the different people, what topics are they talking about in their videos, what are the products they're featuring. And then it makes it really easy for brands to reach out to specific creators. And you basically have this entire platform where you can seal a deal on Facebook itself. And then the content creator can create some branded influencer content for the brand. And it's all built into the community system. We also see a lot of trends inspired a lot by what's going on Twitch, that we have virtual currencies where people can send some credits to a creator when they're really happy. On YouTube, you see this feature as super chats, where someone can send a message that should really stand out or during a live stream. We also see this upcoming on Facebook and Instagram. It's going to be a big trend to have multiple different ways how content creators can make money. Just to name you a few other ones. On YouTube, you can have your own store. They have a couple of partner stores where you can sell merchandise or specific products, and the shop will basically display it as a widget below every video if you are qualified to get this feature. So every platform knows this. If they don't get the high quality content creator which keep people on their platform, they're going to lose out. If nobody is watching any content creator because the content creators are really bad, what happens? They go to some other platform where they can be entertained. What does that mean? The other platform is getting the ad revenue. So think about this. Think about using all of those tools. If you're a content creator, be aware of this. If you're brand, that the platforms are competing for each other and that they're also creating tools for brands to collaborate with content creators. Take advantage of this and make 2019 your best year yet. What do you think of the content creator war? Let me know in the comments, and make sure that you hit subscribe and turn notifications on to get email updates when I release a new video.